When you have Kidpower, clap your hands.
Good morning to you, Teddy. Yes, I think that the people out there have been having a fabulous bear hunt. I don't know, I really don't know if I've seen any other Kidpower teddies. I know you're very keen to know about that, aren't you? Yes. Right. Well, do you want to go and sit with some of the puppets? Yes. All right. Still be able to see you. Hi. How are you going in your bubbles? Sometimes great, sometimes not. Yes, I think all the bubbles are sometimes great and sometimes not. Yeah, and Maree again, and Kidpower Teddy helping me do some Kidpower, and hopefully helping you do some Kidpower. Remember we did brain power, and yesterday, oh thank you, I've got helpers here. These great helpers. Yesterday we did body power, and today we're going to do voice power. Last time our cat helped show off her voice power. So who all can say yes? Everybody who can say yes, say it now. Go. Wow, that's fantastic. Wasn't it wonderful? Oh, yes, I thought it was great. And your brain power and your body power and your voice power are all to help you keep safe around each other in this tricky time. Happy using your Kidpower days. Bye for now.
When you have Kidpower, clap your hands. When you like Kidpower, clap your hands. When you know Kidpower, have Kidpower, like Kidpower, clap your hands.
When I hear hurting words, I throw them away. When I hear hurting words, I throw them away.